This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Front shock absorbers, 4-wheel drive models, replacement. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Insert a screwdriver into the slot in the hubcap and pry the hubcap off. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Place a floor jack under the front differential, raise the front of the truck, then support it with a jack stand placed under the left side of the axle. Move the floor jack under the right side of the front axle. Then raise the front of the truck and support it on a jack stand placed under the right side axle. Remove the front wheel lug nuts and remove the wheels. Remove the protective cap from the top of the shock threads. Using a backup wrench on the top of the shock body, remove the shock absorber upper mounting nut. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt and bracket. Note the direction in which the bolt points. Compress the shock slightly, then remove the shock absorber from the fender well. Install a new washer and bushing onto the top of the shock absorber. Install the shock absorber, guiding the upper stud into the frame bracket, then compress the shock absorber until it can be inserted into the lower mount. Install a new lower mounting bolt and bracket nut in the correct direction, then install new upper mounting nut, complete with the bushing and washer. Using a backup wrench and the shock body nut, tighten the new shock upper mounting nut to the specified torque setting. Tighten the new shock lower mounting bracket nut and bolt to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure for the remaining front shock absorber. Install the wheel and lug nuts. Lower the front of the truck to the ground. Tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting, then install the wheel trim caps. Release the handbrake.